Hello everyone, I'm Maya and welcome back to the Simple English Learning channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel. Welcome back here again to learn English in a simple way.
Hi Daniel, how are you today?
Hi Maya, I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing great too.
Wonderful Maya.
So Daniel, what are we learning today?
Today we have a very useful topic for our audience. Today we're talking about family.
That's a great topic.
Family is something we talk about often. At school, at work.
Or when we meet someone new.
Exactly.
Before we begin, please subscribe to Simple English Learning channel.
Like this video and share it with someone who really want to learn English in a simple way.
Okay Daniel, let's begin.
Let's do it, Maya.
Tell me about your family.
My family is small.
Really?
Yes,
How many people are in your family?
4 people.
Nice.
My mother, my father, my younger sister, and me.
That sounds nice.
It is.
What is your mother's name?
Her name is Martha.
Beautiful name.
Thank you.
What does she do?
She is a teacher.
Very nice.
She teaches children.
That's wonderful.
She loves her work.
And your father?
My father works in a bank.
Nice.
He is very hardworking.
That's great.
He leaves home early every morning.
And your sister?
Her name is Natasha.
Is she older or younger?
She is younger than me.
What does she like?
She likes music.
That sounds fun.
She also likes reading books.
Very nice.
What about your family, Maya?
My family is bigger.
Really?
Yes.
Tell us.
There are 6 people.
Wow!
My mother, my father, my older brother, my younger brother, my grandmother, and me.
A big, happy family. Wonderful.
Yes.
What is your mother like?
She is kind. She cooks delicious food.
That sounds amazing.
And she always asks if everyone ate.
Your mother is very caring.
Yes.
And your father?
He is calm and friendly. He loves gardening.
That's great.
He grows flowers.
Beautiful.
My older brother works in an office.
Okay.
My younger brother is in college.
Nice.
And my grandmother tells stories.
That sounds lovely.
It really is.
Let's learn some family words.
Good idea.
Mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother.
Grandfather, family, parents, children.
Very useful words, which is easy and important.
Daniel, do you eat with your family?
Yes,
Every day?
usually yes.
Nice.
We eat dinner together.
That's lovely.
We talk and laugh.
Very special.
What about you?
Same?
Really?
Yes. We sit together.
Nice.
We eat dinner.
Lovely.
My grandmother tells stories.
That sounds warm. Let's practice. Repeat after us.
My family is small.
My family is small.
My mother is kind.
My mother is kind.
My father works in a bank.
My father works in a bank.
I have one sister.
I have one sister.
My brother is in college.
My brother is in college.
Excellent.
Very good.
Remember, keep your English simple.
Don't worry about mistakes. Practice every day. One sentence helps, and small steps matter.
Now your turn. Tell us in the comments.
How many people are in your family?
Or tell us one thing about your mother, father, brother, or sister. We love reading your comments.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please like this video, subscribe to the Simple English Learning channel. Keep practicing, keep speaking. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, Maya.
Bye, Daniel. Bye, everyone.